Discover a world where innovation meets practicality with our hand-picked selection of 50 cool tools you absolutely must see. In today's fast-paced environment, these standout gadgets and devices are redefining how we approach everyday tasks. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional tradesperson, or simply someone who loves to explore the latest in tech and design. From clever, multifunctional tools that streamline work to futuristic gadgets that add a touch of creativity to your projects, this list is your gateway to tools that combine efficiency, style, and ingenuity. Get ready to be inspired and see how these cutting-edge innovations can transform the way you work, play, and create. Kreg Quick Flip. The Kreg Quick Flip is a versatile dual-action tool priced at $15 that simplifies joinery with its innovative design. One side features a drill bit and cutter to create perfect pilot holes and flat-bottomed counterbores, while the opposite side incorporates a No. 2 square drive bit for driving Kreg screws. With an ergonomic, easy-grip design, adjustable pilot hole depth, impact-rated construction, and a 1/4 inch hex shank, this compact tool is ideal for efficient pocket hole and face joining applications. Overall, it delivers truly exceptional performance. Jokari 61000 Quadro. Jokari 61000 Quadro is a robust, multifunctional plier that delivers 4 essential functions: cutting, stripping, twisting, and crimping for efficient cable processing. Engineered for precision, it features an ergonomic design and an integrated locking mechanism, ensuring consistent, high-quality results. Manufactured in Germany, these pliers offer durability and reliability for demanding electrical applications. Priced at $250, the Jokari 61000 Quadro is an excellent investment for professionals seeking efficiency, versatility, and top-notch performance in one compact tool. Highly recommended for every tradesperson. Masterpiuma P3. The Montolit 63 P3 tile cutter, priced at $437, is a powerful, multifunctional, and precise tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Manufactured in Italy, it features a maximum cutting length of 63 centimeters and offers a 44 by 44 centimeters diagonal cut with a cutting thickness range from 0 to 2.2 centimeters. Weighing only 9.5 kilograms, its lightweight design ensures ease of use and portability. Equipped with a titanium scoring wheel, folding square, and extension, this cutter delivers exceptional accuracy and durability for any tile installation project. A top-quality tool overall, guaranteed. BOREAL 21. The BOREAL 21 folding bow saw, priced at $82, is a versatile and compact tool for camping, backpacking, hunting, and home use. With a 21-inch blade and a lightweight 18 ounces, 530 grams design, it is easy to carry and store. It opens in seconds with automatic blade tensioning, eliminating loose parts. The anodized 6063 aluminum frame, fiberglass reinforced nylon handle, and stainless steel hardware ensure durability. Its high clearance frame allows for large diameter cuts, while optimized geometry delivers efficient sawing strokes. A must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Nocry Gloves. The Nocry cut-resistant gloves, priced at $14, offer top-tier protection with Level 5 and ANSI 105-2016 certification. Made from polyethylene, spandex, and fiberglass, they are 4x stronger than leather and 10x stronger than steel. These gloves provide superior grip and dexterity for food preparation, oyster shucking, and woodworking. Ambidextrous and breathable, they ensure comfort for all-day use. Machine washable for easy maintenance, they come with a limited lifetime warranty. Durable and food safe, these gloves are a must-have for chefs, home cooks, and DIY enthusiasts. Varaible Sweeper. The Varaible Sweeper electric leaf blower delivers powerful performance with its 80 volts motor, ensuring efficient and quick leaf and debris clearing. Featuring a brushless motor, it offers high efficiency, extended lifespan, and low maintenance. Its eco-friendly design produces less noise and zero emissions, making it a great alternative to gas-powered blowers. The lightweight backpack design ensures comfort during extended use. With variable speed control, users can adjust airflow to suit different tasks, enhancing flexibility and precision. A reliable, user-friendly tool for homeowners and professionals alike. Electric Thermal Weeder. The Electric Thermal Weeder, priced at $50, is a versatile 3-in-1 tool that functions as a weed burner, BBQ lighter, and hot air rod. With temperatures reaching up to 650 degrees Celsius, it efficiently eliminates weeds from paving stones, driveways, and curbs, while also igniting grills. It features a 2-meter cord for extended reach and includes 5 interchangeable nozzles for various tasks. Built with durable aluminum and ABS material, it ensures longevity. Its ergonomic design allows comfortable handling, and its eco-friendly operation eliminates the need for gas or propane. Automatic Pencil, the Pick-a-Dry Long Life. Automatic Pencil 3030 is an outstanding construction marker. Its robust push-button umbrella cap and sealed barrel ensure superior dust and moisture protection. With an innovative power lock mechanism, it triples lead holding power and extends longevity. The integrated sharpener and long life cap with an extra strong clip provide effortless one-handed handling. Its refillable design uses for all 2B graphite lead to mark on any surface, dry, wet, glossy, or rough, with precision. Measuring 2.8 millimeters in diameter and 125 millimeters in length, this tool is priced at just $14. Vibration Tile Beater. The Vibration Tile Beater is an impressive tool priced at $184 that excels at evenly distributing adhesive under tiles and slabs. Powered by a 16.8 volts lithium battery, it delivers strong performance while its suction cup lifts up to 77 pounds effortlessly. The built-in spirit level bubble and working light enhance accuracy and visibility on every job. A battery life indicator and a rapid 2-hour charge time minimize downtime. This innovative tool significantly improves tile installation efficiency and precision, making it an excellent investment for professionals. Highly recommended by many industry experts. Adjustable DIMPLER. The Adjustable DIMPLER, a versatile $20 tool that redefines screw placement precision. Its innovative clutch offers 4 depth settings for customized control, ensuring screws are driven perfectly in drywall, decking, particle board, or plywood work. The replaceable drywall bit simplifies installation, guaranteeing a clean, even finish every time. Compatible with both electric and impact drills, it transforms your drill into a reliable screw gun. With a secure magnetic screw holder to prevent dropped screws, the DIMPLER streamlines your workflow, making it an indispensable tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Manpa 2-inch Belt Cutter. Experience precision cutting with the Manpa 2-inch Belt Cutter, a premium accessory priced at $232. Designed to fit an angle grinder, not included, its 8 inches extension and 1 to 2 inches circular cutter enable fast, smooth, controlled cuts, whether pushing or pulling. The tool's versatility shines through interchangeable options with all 2-inch Manpa cutters, including round, triangle, and square designs. With multi-angled positions from 90 degrees to 180 degrees, you can adjust the setup for various cutting tasks, making it ideal for carving and efficient material removal. A must-have for professionals seeking reliability and precision. Circular Saw. At just $80, the Doberman MCS01A portable circular saw delivers remarkable versatility for various materials. It includes 6 TCT blades, 2 4 and 3/4 inch for wood, 2 4.5 inch for soft metal and plastic, and 2 4.5 inch for tile, making blade changes simple. A built-in laser and edge guide ensure precise, straight cuts, while its stable base and auxiliary handle provide controlled operation. With adjustable 45-degree bevel and 90-degree crosscut settings, plus enhanced safety features and a vacuum adapter, this saw is a powerful, reliable tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Ladder Hoist TP250. The Ladder Hoist TP250, priced at $2,710, is a robust tool designed to lift heavy loads up to 250 pounds at a reach of 28 feet. Its heavy-duty steel frame and non-slip deck ensure stability, while easy assembly and disassembly make it user-friendly. With wide foot pedal and handle brake controls, collapsible plywood brackets, and tie-down slots for plywood or rolled goods, this hoist is versatile. It includes a 4-foot aluminum base track and 3 8-foot ladder sections. Backed by a 90-day warranty, the TP250 is a reliable investment for efficient lifting. DEWALT Max XR Cable Stripper. The DEWALT Max XR Cable Stripper delivers impressive performance at $70. Its heavy-duty depth gauge consistently strips cables up to 4 inches in diameter, handling sizes from 6 American wire gauge to 750,000 circular mils copper and 900,000 circular mils aluminum with ease. Quick release bushings allow rapid changeovers, while the variable speed trigger with reverse offers precise speed control. An adjustable onboard LED illuminates dark work areas. The innovative e-clutch system ensures control during jams, and compatibility with DEWALT, Greenlee, and Ripley bushings makes it versatile for both THN and XHHW cables. SuperHandy Portable Winch. At $313, this high-performance winch delivers outstanding power with its DC 48 volts, 1,296 watts brushless motor, providing a pulling force of 1,000 pounds on a single rope and 2,000 pounds with double rope. Built with durable steel gears, it performs flawlessly even in extreme conditions down to -30 degrees Celsius. The complete kit includes a 2 amp-hour Li-ion battery, charger, 100 feet low-stretch rope, and a sturdy tree strap. Its instant start button and user-friendly design make it ideal for forestry, hunting, gardening, off-road adventures, and light construction work. A versatile winch that exceeds expectations. Seesii PS622 in 1 electric pole saw. Priced at $140, the Seesii PS622 in 1 electric pole saw is a versatile and powerful tool designed for both ground-level trimming and reaching high branches. Its innovative design easily transforms from a cordless mini chainsaw to an extendable pole saw, with a reach from 4.6 to 10 feet for safe tree maintenance without ladders. The adjustable blade provides precise cutting at various angles, while the advanced brushless motor delivers reliable power. Dual high-capacity batteries ensure extended runtime for uninterrupted trimming sessions, making it an ideal choice for any outdoor enthusiast. Kreg K4. Kreg K4 is an exceptional tool for DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers alike. Priced at $100, this adjustable pocket hole jig offers precision and versatility with a 3-hole drill guide, accommodating materials from 1/2 inch to 1 and 1/2 inch thick. Its design ensures fast, strong, and easy wood joinery, while the large clamping recess secures the jig firmly. The removable drill guide is ideal for both benchtop and portable use, and the dust collection adapter keeps workspaces tidy. Overall, the Kreg K4 is an incredibly reliable, premium solution that significantly simplifies woodworking projects. Ryobi PSBCS02 ONE Plus. Ryobi PSBCS02 ONE Plus is a standout addition to the ONE Plus lineup, offering impressive performance and versatility for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Priced at $102, it combines power, efficiency, and user-friendly design. This tool delivers smooth operation, making tasks quicker and more precise, while its ergonomic build reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Its compatibility with the ONE Plus battery system ensures extended runtime and convenience. Overall, the Ryobi PSBCS02 ONE Plus is a reliable and innovative choice, bringing quality craftsmanship to every project and delivering excellent value for the price. Floor jack. Priced at $140, the floor jack delivers outstanding performance and durability for auto repairs and unexpected emergencies. With a 4-inch saddle and 3-ton capacity, its versatile lifting range of 5.15 to 18.3 inches suits most vehicles perfectly. The robust steel construction, rugged universal joint, and premium stability ensure exceptional precision and long-lasting use on all road types. Flexible swivel casters with fixed and 360-degree designs make repositioning effortless. meeting ANSI ASME PEHAS. Safety standards. This floor jack is an essential tool for any garage or shop and comes with a 1-year warranty. Metabo HPT Belt Sander. The Metabo HPT SB8 V2. Belt sander is a powerful and versatile tool priced at $140. Featuring a 9-amp, 1020 watts motor, it delivers ample power for tough sanding jobs. The variable speed control enhances precision, while the clear front cover improves visibility. Its flush surface design ensures even sanding, and the left-mounted dust collection bag helps keep the workspace clean. Ideal for professionals and DIYers alike, this sander balances performance and convenience. Backed by a 5-year warranty, it's a reliable investment for any workshop.